This next video is going to show you how to map the requirements that you've tagged within the RFP to the instructions within the RFP. So we're now looking at the map RFP view, and as you can see, there's two different panes here. So the pane on the left-hand side are all the instructions that we've tagged within the RFP, and on the right-hand side we have all the different requirements sections that we've grabbed information from. So in this case, we have something from section M, section C, and then basis for award evaluation. So you can just change the views by clicking on the different content or sections that you want. So the main point of this particular view is to drive alignment to your instructions, your proposal instructions. And so there's two methods for doing this. The first one is to just select the specific instructions you want to align to. So you just click on the box on the left-hand side, and then you would go over to the right-hand side pane and select the different sections that you want to drive alignment to the instructions. And so you would just go over to the Map Selected button on the left-hand side and click once, and you have alignment. So a couple things just happened when I did that. All the different sections turned this greenish blue color, and to give you that visual cue that something has been mapped, right? So if I were to map something else, hit map selected, they would also turn green. So this lets you know that, hey, these things have already been accounted for. We also have some scorecards at the top. And in this case, there's 60 different sections within section M. 5 of the 60 have now been mapped. And over on the left-hand side, we have 367 sections for the instructions. Two of those instructions have content mapped to them. So that's the first method. The second method is just a drag and drop. So you click on an item on the right, you drag it to the left, you'll see the instructions section highlight, and you'll see that plus sign. Once that is, you have the highlighted section and you have that plus sign, you can just let go of the mouse, click, and it drops right in. And it's very fluid, very easy to use, drag and drop left to right. So both methods are very easy to use and can just give you different techniques depending on which is your preference for driving that alignment. So a couple more things I wanted to show real quick. If you were to click on any specific section on the right-hand side, it'll highlight where the alignment is on the left-hand side. So it will turn that orange color or gold color to let you know that's where the alignment is. Now, the same is true if you were to click on the left-hand side, it'll show you what's been aligned on the right-hand side. So that's just a kind of a quick reference guide to help you kind of navigate where things have been mapped. You also can map things on the right-hand side multiple times. So if I've already mapped this particular section, but I want to drive alignment to another section, it's just a drag and drop. So it can account for content that has to be mapped several times on the left-hand side. So the last thing I wanted to show you is how you would adjust for something that was dropped in the wrong section. So maybe you want to change the alignment. And so on the right-hand side, you have all the different sections that have been aligned. When you want to make an adjustment, there is this minus sign to the right of the section. If you just click on that, it disappears from the left-hand side. And you'll also notice if you look at the scorecard on the right-hand side, as you reduce these items, they will be accounted for on the right-hand side. So you should see the mapping go from 6 to 5 when I click. So that is the quick tip video for mapping.